I'm Mourning Dove. I guide self-care circles, workshops, and very gentle yoga classes at Willy Street Co-op. I love seeing all different kinds of people come into my classes and prioritize time for themselves. That's not something that we always make time for. I offer a lot of props and bolsters, and there's space when you register to let me know what your accessibility needs, accommodation needs, or really anything that will help me make you feel more comfortable. You can let me know that at registration so that I can include you when I create our practice. There's been times when I've felt very alienated or uncomfortable in self-care and yoga spaces. So it's important to me for other people to feel comfortable regardless of their abilities. If you'd like to sign up, go to willystreet.coop, or you can call the store or email education@willystreet.coop.